Hi there. Are you having trouble in creating your Shopify blog post? You don't know how to edit it, how to make images, how to put a feature image, how to make it SEO compatible, or how should I create a blog post in Shopify in general? Huh? No problem, okay? Because in this video, I've explained in depth about how you can create a blog post in Shopify to adding tables, images, videos, logos, everything, okay? So just watch this video till the end to get to know about everything in detail, okay? So let's get started. Okay, so adding and creating a blog post to your Shopify website is like really easy, like, okay? Because see, blog post, with the help of blog post, you can help your site grow and rank on like search engines like Google, Yahoo, on the basis of the SEO, okay? You don't have to use paid advertising, okay? With the organically, you can attract customers, like you can give the review of a product in like your blog. You can write a blog on, let's say, 10 different types of headbands, okay, or 10 different types of women jewelry, trending women jewelry in, let's say, June 2021, or anything like that, okay. And then you can make a blog post, okay, which is obviously designed with like SEO, okay. You have to keep, every time you design a blog post, you should keep SEO in mind, say what are the rules of SEO, okay. Always keep the blog post like simple, okay. Don't clutter it, like you are placing like links of like different websites or anything, okay. You can give the links of your own other pages on your blog post. Let's say, okay, write a review about a product, and this is, just give a button that, yeah, here is our product, if you want to buy it, okay, you can click on this product and go to the buying link, okay. So to create a blog post, it's pretty simple, okay. Click on the online stores option over here, and you can see the second option is like the blog post, okay. Okay, when you click blog post, see, we haven't created any blog post yet, okay. So click on create blog post, okay. See, from here you can create the blog post, okay. See, here you have to give the title of your blog, okay. What will be your title be, okay. And here is the description where you can do like different things, okay. Like with this one, like, see, you can see there's no option for changing the size of the image, okay. So from this option, what does this do? Like the heading one, this heading is of like different size. You can see the size of A, okay. If I do this to heading 2, let's say this one, do this to heading 5, see the size of it, it is changed, okay. So all of these, like this is the paragraph size. If you write this font, the size of this font is of the paragraph size, okay, which is used the most, okay. So by this option you can change the font size of the fonts, okay, by this, okay. Like by this, select this, click bold, it makes everything bold, okay. This is like the italic option for underlining it, okay. If you want to add bullet points, if you want to add like numbered lists, okay. This is for the outend and intent. For alignment, you can align them in the center, okay. If you want to color them, you can make it like green, like this, okay. Select it and choose green. Wait a second. Choose the green option over here, yeah, like this. Yeah, see, it's green now, okay. By this you can choose the colors, okay. By this you can see the, like, if you know HTML, you can see the HTML code, okay. You can edit it if you know how to edit, okay. If you like select a text and you want to give a link, like specific link to one of your own pages, and you want to, let's say you want that page to open in that same video, or sorry, same window, or you want it to open in a new window, you can set it from here, okay. You can give the link title and on which link that page should, the link of the page you are going to get to when you click on this, okay. With this, see, with this you can create a table, okay. Create on insert table option, okay. See, by this you created a table. Now you can add like insert a row above. If you want to insert a row above this one, click on this one, okay. Now if you want a column, okay, insert column before or after, okay. And you inserted a column before, Okay, now let's say you have two columns and you have to make, like, let's say this is column 3 and this is column 1. Okay, now if you want to make a column 2 in between both of those columns, go to this option and select insert column before. See, now we have the third column which is in the center. You can name it 2. Okay, just like that you can insert different rows, okay, above and below. And if you want to delete a row, delete a column, let's say I want to delete this entire row, okay, select that row, then just put the cursor in that row and do delete row. Okay, if I want to delete this particular column, let's say 3, or let's say I want to delete 2, go to this, delete column, done. Okay, if you want to delete the entire table, delete the table. Okay, so with the help of this option you can insert different images. Okay, like these are the images you have already uploaded. You can upload the images with the help of URL, or like the product images which are on your products page, those will be shown here. Okay, so let's say we want to put our logo, so just select our logo and insert image. Okay, then a photo will be appear. See, you can see this is our photo over here. Okay, if you want to insert a video, you can insert a video from here. Okay, and for clear formatting option. Okay, and on every, like below every blog or wherever the title of your blog is, there's a slight like of name of the author. Whoever writes the blog, or whoever's name you want to display, you can give the name of the author over here. Okay, wherever you want to display this blog, like in the news section, or want to create a new blog section, you can do it here. If you want to give different tags, like let's say this blog is related to dog products. Okay, so you can research with the help of like SEO tools, like which are the best tags, like dog products 2021, trending dog products, or anything. You can paste all of those tags over here. Like you can say these are options like vintage, cotton, summer, like that. Okay, what should be the theme? So you want the default blog theme. Okay, and see, you are creating your blog. Okay, you haven't created your blog yet and you want to start, you are working, and let's say it will take you 2 days to work in this blog. You don't want anyone to come to your site and see an unfinished blog. Okay, so by the time you can make it hidden, and whenever you want to publish the blog, you can just make it visible. Okay, or like let's say if you want to launch your blog at some specific time, okay, you can just select the time from here. Let's say on 13/7/2021 I want to launch it at 12:30 a.m. Okay, okay, now this section, see, whenever your blog is displayed on your website, okay, it's displayed with the, like, every time you have gone to a website, you can see every time you have gone to a website, you can see like every blog has like a thumbnail. Okay, and then the description and the title of the blog. Okay, so the thumbnail will appear here. Okay, from here you can upload like the thumbnail, which is like the featured email of your blog. Okay, then this is the summary of your blog, which will appear on the home page or the blog page, whichever page you want to post your blog onto. Okay, and this is how your blog's listing will be look in the search engine. Okay, this is like the domain name, this is what you like description in the blog, you can see, and this is the title of the blog. Okay, so try to make your blog as much SEO friendly as you can. Okay, because it will, help your website grow organically on the search engines. Okay, and then just click on save. Okay, and just like that you've created your blog post. Okay, see, if you go back, see, these are your blog posts, and you can edit it. If you want to delete it, edit blog post, more actions, you can add more tags, remove tags, you can unpublish it, delete the blog post from here. Okay, so this is how easily you can create a blog post in your Shopify website. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. As I already just said, this video is the part of a Shopify series in which I am taking you on a journey from creating your own Shopify store to adding products, to advertising, to making real profit. So to get notified when I upload my next video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button to get notified when I upload my video. Thank you very much.